How's that? For anybody asking, I found this on eBay. It was only like $230. So let me go ahead and remove the rust, and yeah, this is gonna be replacing the lip. Man, this is crazy. Look at that. Really nice quality build. Comes so we can you know, put it on the grill or on the bottom. Unfortunately, it does not come with very much 3M tape that I don't think we'll need. It does come right here on the sides. I might have to put some 3M tape as well, as it doesn't provide. But I need to do an initial fit. But first, we have to remove the old lip. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then we'll test fit everything. Okay guys, we got the lip out, as you can see. We'll cover this 100%. This is from the previous owner. Right here is also from the previous owner. So last time, some lighting. Go ahead and clean it real quick. Let it dry out, and then we'll prep it. Dry. Box quality finish. It's actual carbon fiber. So highly excited about this. We're gonna figure out how this is gonna come on first. I'm not sure if the middle piece has to come on first or whatnot. But as you can see, they put a 3M tape right here and right here. I'm assuming to go up here. So we'll make sure here's nicely done. But I don't know if you guys can see it. Full carbon fiber. I would say it's a front lip overlay. So yeah. Let's do a little test fit real quick. So I'm assuming we've got to put on the, what do you call it? The middle piece first, so everything lines up, because the bottom screws, you're going to use the four bottom ones right here. That looks dirty. I think power tools is so much faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. For now. Go ahead and lock in this portion right here. Start out in the bar. gonna start on the outside. Well, I don't like how that easily pulls back, so we're just gonna re-secure it. Cool. I think we're done with the installation. Carbon fiber. Yeah, so you can't only tell, but it's clean. Looks different. We'll pull it out. Okay, guys, this is the final look. I'll get more photos when it's in the daytime.
You don't know what you do.